this is turned off. So power, that one is not behaving correctly. So that's an ESC. It was unsoldered from here. That one is still on. I want to switch it to that one because the order of the wires, the colors, is the same with this one. These two are connected differently. So this ESC was inserted here. The other one from here is not yet soldered, but let's see what will happen. Yes, it's silent, so the motor is not spinning all the time as it was with this ESC. Okay, now this one is soldered also, except one signal wire, and this is the result. I'm trying to connect the black wire also. Yes, and it's doing the same thing. So the ESC is bad. So that's the old ESC of the Aosenma CG035. That's the new ESC speed controller. This one has a capacitor. The other one does not have a capacitor there. That's the other side. Okay, so this one will be installed here, and that's the top, because this one is the LED, so that has to be on the bottom inside that little hole. So the red wire is on the left side, and on these two the red wire is on the right side, and right side here also. So we need to take a look at this one, and the red one is on the left side. The red one from the motor will be connected here to this N thing, or U. Yes, that's a U. Okay, so this one was soldered. Now let's connect the battery. Hope there won't be any smoke. Till here it's okay. So before it was constantly moving when the battery was inserted. Now it's not moving. Now I think, yes, it will beep because the GPS is not connected. So let's turn it off and connect the GPS here. This one. Okay, the GPS is connected. Let's insert the battery. Wow, it's working. Okay, here's the problem. This motor is not spinning in the correct direction. It's spinning to the right. That one's spinning to the right also. They should be the opposite direction. This should be spinning in the same direction as that one. And that's spinning to the left. Left, and this is to the right. So I have to take it apart again. Okay, so theoretically with these brushless motors, which have 3 wires, you just have to reverse 2 of them, any of those 2, let's say the blue and the black, and it should spin in the opposite direction. So let's try it. Okay, 2 wires were reversed, the black and the blue. Now let's see what will happen. No smoke, that's fine. Left, what's up with that one? It's spinning to the left. Left, right, right. So it should be okay. Okay, I inserted just a few screws. And Let's see, will this fly or not? Okay, it flies. This propeller is a bit at an angle, the entire motor, because it's broken. This one is much higher than that one. Take a look at the color of the LED when you order the ESC, because the front ESCs have red LEDs, these, and the rear ESCs have green LEDs. Mission successful.